Netgear Nighthawk AX8 is a powerful wireless router for large homes. It is capable of providing up to 6 Gbps internet speeds with 8 simultaneous streams, ensuring ultra-fast wireless connectivity. Here's what you will find inside the box of the Netgear Nighthawk AX8 wireless router. The Netgear Nighthawk AX8 is neatly packed in the retail box with a plastic wrapping. Underneath, you will find an Ethernet cable, a power adapter with additional plugs, and a quick start guide. Before you remove the packaging on the router, ensure that you note down the preset Wi-Fi settings as you will need that later to set up the router. That's all there is in the box of the router. Now just take out the router and plug it in the power source to get started with setting it up. Download the Nighthawk app from the Play Store or Apple App Store to set up the router and follow the on-screen instructions to configure it with your broadband connection. So that was a quick look at what you can find in the Netgear Nighthawk AX8 box. Thank you for watching this video.